This poem is called I Need You to Care That the Country is on Fire. I'm so tired of being told that I'm full of hard asks. There's this person in my mind that offered far more complexity than which you were capable. It's not okay to be okay with that. The journey away from expectation is a treacherous path, though. Currently, I'm crying for trees that have more spirit than you do. Entire ecosystems fulfill more worth. These tears we do not share. This daughter, citizen, can barely speak to her brother. It's mutual, it seems. America corroded us like gas to metal, turned it green and ragged, just old, a war on memory. A family I am related to convinced the police and the firemen to come visit my nephew on his third birthday, since he can't have a real party with other children and grown-ups this year. And the thing that breaks me is knowing that he will remember that cop more than he will ever remember me. Unwelcome for this heart. I am exiled from the children. It is easier. Love means time in the true antiquated fashion. Investment. The fear of running out of it exacerbates the real persistent insanity creation to think you could be the person I've always been striving to be. I wish I was still the one that led everyone into the woods when no one would go first. It became what I was known for, and then I became a coward, weakened by love. Our desire is humble, big laughs all around, out of lack of imagination by us all.